What a traditional clothes here. Look at this guy. He's in red. Wow. Okay namang makita sa kanila kasi mga magaganda naman yung kulay nila, bagay nila. Ang daming paninda guys. Pero wala akong magustuhan. Wala akong matipuhan. Ay mga traditional dress. Ay. Hindi talaga ako magkaroon ng yung magkaroon ng ganang bumili. Aanhin ko naman. I-stock ko lang naman siya kung makakabili. Wag na lang. Sayang yung pera. Pwedeng ibili ng ibang bagay. Wow, may handmade din dito ng mga basket, oh guys. Oh, mayroon ding abaniko ba yan? Abaka. Oh, may table. Ayan. Ayan, parang tiklis ba? Ayan, gaganda, oh. Parang nasa Pinas lang ako. Ito, pwedeng lagay ng damit. Oh. Ayan. Ganda. Gawa sa yantok. Yeah, they are very expensive clothes. Ayan, may mga sapatos din. May tela din. Yeah, let's find another store or stall.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We find another.
This is a handmade. Yeah. There are so many like this in the Philippines. Yeah. Para akong nasa year 50s guys. Pag nakakakita ako ng mga ano nila, yung traditional clothes nila na ganyan. Yeah.
But it is part of our tradition, okay?
Yeah, yeah. Of course. This is okay. This is a traditional every year. May mga iba-ibang sombrero pero ang mahal-mahal. Yeah. Yeah, it's used but 200 euro. Wow. Those others. Pag use, hindi bababa sa 200 euro.
Contributed.
Yeah.
With our money to this, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Because you cannot enter without entrance fee. Yeah. Ayan. May mga tumutugtog din, oh. Tulad ng mga yan, use yan guys. Oh. Imaginein mo yung 200 euro sa peso. Almost nasa 13,000 pesos. Wow.
Here we enter.
Yeah, okay.
Here it says 65.
Uy, 65 euro. Yeah, yung ginonsilyo. Okay. Okay.
You want this?
That's all guys.
65? You want this?
No, no, no. It's okay. I'm just curious if, how is the price.
It's handmade, no?
Yeah. This is handmade, that's why maybe. But it's not used. They are okay.
But if you like
Okay
it,
guys, that's all for now.
Okay.
Ha? Okay guys, binilan ako ng isa ni Hubby. Ayan, pang winter, pang cover. This is the color. Okay. dito sa ano eh. Kaya lang medyo maliit. Yan naman malaki. Pero maluwang yung mga butas-butas niya. Gawang ano to. Manual ba na ginonsilyo guys. Yeah, thank you honey.